What is print-on-demand, PoD, and how does it work? When you engage with a supplier of white-label goods, such as baseball caps or tote bags, to personalize those goods and sell them on a per-order basis under your own brand and with your own designs, you are operating a print-on-demand business. There is no need to buy in bulk or keep any inventory on hand when using print-on-demand because you don't pay for the product's cost until after you've actually sold it. As a result, it keeps growing in popularity as a business strategy in the e-commerce industry. Additionally, your supplier takes care of everything after the sale with print-on-demand services, including digital printing, order fulfillment, and shipping. One significant extra advantage of print-on-demand is that, after everything is set up, it merely requires a few clicks to complete an order following a sale. You can use print-on-demand services to You can test a new product line or company idea using print-on-demand services without taking the risks associated with purchasing inventory. It also works well as a side business. Profit from a following you've established. Print-on-demand is a terrific choice if you're a YouTuber or cartoonist who prefers to spend their time creating rather than completing orders, produce unique goods for a specific market, e.g., T-shirts for people who are super passionate about long-distance running. T-shirts, books, shoes, purses, wall art, phone covers, clocks, laptop skins, mugs, and other merchandise can be printed in small runs or one-offs. Test your ad creative. With print-on-demand, you may run advertising to determine which designs and products are most popular without having to pay the whole cost of the goods up advance. You can double down on the creative and raise your ad expenditure if you receive a significant number of orders. Pros and cons. Print-on-demand for your e-commerce business. Advantages and disadvantages. The dropshipping business model, in which the products and delivery are all handled by a third party, can be built using print-on-demand. It's one of the easiest methods to find things or launch an online business, but you should be aware of the benefits and restrictions before you get started. Pros. Create products quickly. Once you have the design, you can create the product and put it up for sale in minutes. Shipping orders is taken care of. Shipping and fulfillment is out of your hands and into your suppliers. After the sale, you're just responsible for customer service. Low investment, lower risk. Since you're not physically holding any inventory, it's easier to add or remove products, test ideas, or pivot your approach. Cons. Lower margins. Naturally, your costs per item will be higher than if you buy in bulk. Less control over shipping. Shipping costs can get complicated, as it might vary for different print-on-demand products. Your options are also limited if you want to create a standout unboxing experience. Limited products. Your ability to customize products depends on the vendor and the product. Depending on which print-on-demand companies you want to work with, you'll have to weigh base costs, customization options, and available sizes when deciding which vendor to choose.